Thanksgiving's not Thanksgiving unless we have turkey, dressing, and gravy.
I have a lot of favorite holiday dishes, but I'd have to say that my favorite is dessert, and that would be pecan pie. I have to have pecan pie at Thanksgiving and Christmas.
All right, so my favorite thing about Thanksgiving is definitely the ham. A lot of people like the turkey, but my favorite thing is the ham. And I really just like spending time with my family. We all have very busy schedules, and it's always good to get everybody together. And that is my favorite thing about Thanksgiving.
My favorite food that I cannot go without on Thanksgiving is chicken and pastry.
My favorite dish for Thanksgiving is turkey, sweet potato pie, collard greens, just all kind of Thanksgiving food. Chitterlings, I don't know if anybody like them or not, but I love them. Rice and gravy, cabbage, sweet tea, of course. Wouldn't be a Thanksgiving without sweet tea.
My favorite side dish for Thanksgiving is sweet potato casserole.
My favorite dish for Thanksgiving is chicken pastry.
My favorite thing about Thanksgiving is the other shift's turkey.
Yum.
My favorite dish is the green bean casserole.
My favorite dish for Thanksgiving is stuffing with giblet gravy.
And my favorite dish for Thanksgiving would have to be chicken and pastry or chicken and dumplings.
My favorite has got to be Grandma's macaroni and cheese with the little burnt crust and the oozing cheese on the top. That's my favorite dish.
My favorite dish for Thanksgiving is banana pudding and turkey.
Deep fried turkey.
Mashed taters.
Favorite dish for Thanksgiving is chicken wings.
My favorite dish for Thanksgiving is my father's sauteed turkey. He makes it in a caldero, which is a Latino workhorse of the kitchen pot. It's the best thing on the planet.
And being a Southern guy, I kind of like steaks and barbecue.
My favorite dish for Thanksgiving is mashed potatoes.
My favorite Thanksgiving dish is sweet potato pie. I'm just thankful for being here, thankful for family, friends, co-workers, church family, just thankful in general of life, and to God be all the glory.
My favorite dish for Thanksgiving is a bourbon chocolate pecan pie.
My favorite dish for Thanksgiving is my grandma's baked macaroni and cheese.
My favorite dish for Thanksgiving is sweet potato pie.
My favorite dish for Thanksgiving is pecan pie.
My favorite dish is apple pie.
My favorite Thanksgiving dish is my sister's cheesecake.
I would say my favorite dish for Thanksgiving would be macaroni and cheese.
Cornbread stuffing.
Pumpkin pie.
One of my favorite holiday dishes is me enjoying my family and cooking on the grill. I got to do a turkey on the grill this for tomorrow for Thanksgiving, so that's my favorite part of my Thanksgiving holiday.
My favorite dish for Thanksgiving would have to be sweet potato pie.
Banana pudding.
My favorite dish for Thanksgiving is baked macaroni and cheese.
My favorite Thanksgiving dish is chocolate pecan pie, and it reminds me so much of home.
Happy holidays. My favorite dish is ham and macaroni and cheese. Why? Because it reminds me of my grandmother and the time of Thanksgiving when we all got together and she made the most amazing ham and macaroni and cheese.
It's not Thanksgiving without honey baked ham.
Sweet potato souffle.
My favorite dish for Thanksgiving is everything.
Not Thanksgiving without pumpkin pie.
Every year I look forward to my mama's 3 cheese macaroni and cheese. Just wouldn't be Thanksgiving without it.
My favorite dish would be my grandmother's infamous chicken and dressing. We don't do the turkey and dressing, we do chicken and dressing all in one, like a casserole sort of thing. And we don't know anybody else that has done that, but and although she's passed that along to all of us. And it's not an easy recipe to make, but it's really good.
My favorite dish is baked mac and cheese.
So it's really hard to say what is the most important part of Thanksgiving meal because it's all important. And if ever something is missing, that becomes the thing that I most miss. But in my family tradition, we have a Jell-O dish. Now, don't let the name throw you off. We call it Green Death. But It was named that affectionately by my father-in-law because it is so good that you're just to die for. But it's lime jello, cottage cheese, whipped topping, and just deliciousness. So if we don't have that, then I'm really going to be asking where it is.